Hello everyone, I am Sania here and today I'm gonna tell you how you should tweeze your eyebrows perfectly in a right way. So I'll be sharing lots and lots of tips, guys. Do watch till end. Here I'm using the lip liner, which is the colored one. I'm not using black because that might camouflage my brow, and some of the brows which shouldn't be taken out I might pick it up. So for safety I'm using this burgundy colored lip liner. It's your choice, you can use any color you like, and I'm just defining my brows with a border line to it. In the same way I'm drawing on the other side as well. So once this done, guys, I'm taking this spoolie and brushing my eyebrows up and cutting with the sleek scissors of brows. Make sure you have very sleek scissors. Do not take random scissors and cut it. Make sure the scissors are very pointed and very sharp. And now I'm grabbing this tweezer which is having a slant side. So as you can see, the one which is slant and sharp, I'm facing it towards my brow and plucking in the direction of my hair. And this is how you got to do it. Suppose if you try to pluck the hair in other direction, the hair is gonna be cut and it's not going to give you that proper finished results, and it might come up as an ingrown hair. So you don't want the stubborn hair to be standing out there. So I'm gonna tweeze in the direction of my hair. As you can see, I'm changing the direction as my hair is directed towards. So here you can see my hair are pointing upwards, so I'm just taking out, bending my tweezers slightly and picking hair very carefully. So whenever you tweeze your eyebrows or thread your eyebrows, make sure you stand in front of the bathroom mirror and face it towards it. Have a good lighting, even that is also very important, and see how it goes. Do not use any magnifying mirror. That might create an illusion that you have more hair and you'll start plucking the ones which is not needed. So all you got to do is stand a little bit at a distance. I'm having a good practice and just picking it up as it goes. See how I am lifting my hair just in the direction how it is framed, and same way it's followed on the other side as well. So picking in the direction of the hair is the safest and easiest way to pluck eyebrows. If you pluck it in other way, it's gonna make your hair to cut into half and it is gonna be showing like an ingrown hair, as I said before. So just to take out the extra hair, all you got to do is pluck only hair which are just below the border of your eyebrows, not to get too close to it. And slowly, when you get used to it, you will know where to pluck and what hair to leave, so you'll get used to it. So this is almost done, and now I'm wiping my lip liner which is lined with the Bioderma makeup remover, and I'm wiping it with a cotton swab there, cleaning it nicely. So as you can see, the eyebrows are cleaned and I have fresh looking brows back again. So this is the easiest way to do, and all it is plucked and it is beautiful. So have a look at it, guys, and you can see I have cleaned all my extra hair out, and this is how my beautiful brows look, and I maintain in this way. Hope you like this video. So you all know what you got to do. If you like this kind of videos of beauty, lifestyle and fashion, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss out my videos. See you guys.